They come online, they search it on Google, right? And that's where the journey begins, right? And if I put it in organic sense, then it's a cherry on the cake because it's come free of cost. So, and as I mentioned, we have around 20 lakh products which are live on the website, which makes like huge opportunity of traffic, which can come to us free of cost from Google, or and actually we have a good percentage of traffic from Bing also. Opportunity is very huge in organic for us, and there is not much competition also. There's not much competition as well. So I should say, if we solve there are certain issues at our side, mostly on the website or certain things which we are working upon. If we solve those things, we should be able to save a lot money spends from Google paid marketing, which can be used into other media, because there are searches which for which even like there is no competition at all right? So I see a huge opportunity for organic side at industry buying right now.
Thanks for sharing that.